Center, our mission is to inspire and create a more just and sustainable future.
We work towards this mission every day, but we can't accomplish this alone.
Your donations help to fund essential facility updates and repairs.
This ensures that our trails remain safe, our gardens continue to thrive, and our chickens and quail remain happy and healthy. Last year, your donations allowed us to become CPR certified. This helped us ensure a more safe and secure environment for our summer camps.
This year we've been working on a few big projects.
These projects include building parking and a boardwalk for a fully accessible trail,
Adding updates to our ecotherapy garden,
And adding new members to our flock. And lastly, expanding our staffing for our summer camps and buying new supplies to create a fun, hands-on learning environment.
Not only does your support help grow the Macoskey Center, it provides amazing opportunities for our students to prepare for their futures.
This year, we are able to send some of our staff members to the Pennsylvania Environmental Educators Conference.
This wouldn't have been possible without your continued support. Together, we can make a lasting impact on the environment around us.
Thank you!